So this is what happens a lot of times when you use metallic micas with the gold. They'll usually accumulate in a spot, which I think is always interesting. Luckily it's just the back side of the coasters. So I'm gonna take them out. Okay, let's see what it looks like. So see how different the back side looks when it's got the yellow. The yellow was in all the resin. I wanted to do that so that all the petals would be yellow and not any real white. So the yellow over the bronze color with the glitter just gives it some shimmery, like a background gold color. So I think I need more petals still for a sunflower. So I'm still learning. I'll try it again. They're pretty though. I love them. I'm trying to decide, maybe too much brown, but I also put the mustard in, which is kind of a golden yellow, and then I also added that black. I was going to put black dots, but I realized I didn't have enough time because my resin was heating up and I had to do it really quickly. So I also switched in that black, which I probably just didn't need to do. There they are. They're still very lovely, and I hope you learned something on this video. So what I may do next time is still do clear and put yellow alcohol inks in. I could make the petals yellow instead of white, and so maybe that's what I need to do. So I will think it over and attempt more. Thank you for watching. Make sure to check out all the links below the video where it says show more, and or the down arrow on your mobile device. But I've got a Facebook group for auctions. If you'd come check it out and support our auctions every few months. Our next one is going to be around Father's Day weekend in June. And we pick artists from all over the country, sometimes outside the country, and we feature 10 or 12 artists each auction, and gives an opportunity for artists to share their work with other people all over and expand their access to people that can see their art. Some may not have shows or local events that they can participate in, so we're providing a way for them to be able to sell their art online through Facebook. So it's a really fabulous way to connect with artists, and if you're interested in being in the auction, go to www.arthealingheartsauctions.com and click on Partner with Us and read those requirements. All the links are below my video always, and so check them all out, and I will see you on the next video. Love you all. Bye bye.